alphabet is in alphabetical order. Just thought you should know that. So, today, I turned 19, which no one talks about, but it's a very awkward age. Like, you turn 18, suddenly you're an adult, and then 20, you enter your 20s, but like, what the fuck is 19? Like, no one talks about 19, we don't discuss it. It's kind of just like 1 year to feel awkward and practice destroying your life, I guess. I don't know. But I didn't really want to wear a lot of makeup for my birthday. But yeah, I'm just going in with the only primer that I currently own. It's the Sativa, I always say it wrong. It's the NYX primer, and it's really lovely. 90% of this is probably going to be edited out. If you want to wish me a happy birthday, the best way to do it is by subscribing. You can also leave a comment, a like, I appreciate it. And I'm gonna just spot the foundation with a fluffy brush. It's my Maybelline Fit Me. I'm in the shade 112 Natural Ivory. Also, if you're wondering why I'm using such a tiny brush, it's because this is like really fluffy. So you get like a really diffuse sort of blend. So yeah, just like that, you see like super light. I'm going in with my hair gel and a tiny bit on my finger. And I've just started to like do this thing where I just like kind of brush it through. Basically, I just brush it up. I've been doing a lot of weird stuff with my brows lately. Duo by e.l.f.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
And then I just take some of the foundation and I kind of just wipe off the excess like on my lid and use that kind of like a palette. And then I kind of okay, so I thought I was gonna do a cut crease for my eyes, but now I'm not so sure. I really want cute fake freckles because it's my birthday and I can do what I want. So I'm gonna take the brow gel side that you see is annihilated and my little square of stipple sponge, and I'm just gonna get some product loaded up and then kind of just like start making freckles. So I'm gonna take my contour. I'm gonna take this brush. It's like a big fluffy powder brush. I'm gonna take the darker shade. Gives me a confidence boost. I don't know what it is. Like, no one probably notices except me. I'm also gonna just throw some in my crease real quick. Yeah, so I just put the white on both of my waterlines, and now I'm putting this turquoise pencil by LA Color. It's a shimmer pencil in teal bling, and I'm just putting it like halfway. Well, actually I kind of took it all the way, but I'm just putting it underneath my eyes. So, and you guys let me know if you like the talking format more. It's like I said, it's my first time like doing it, and I feel kind of weird, but I'm gonna use this Essence lip liner. I love these, by the way. They're so great. And they're so cheap. Like, this was literally $2, and I've been using it for years, and it hasn't run out, and it's really creamy, and it's pigmented, and just... And then I kind of just, like, blend my lips together. And they're so dry. I think I'll finish off the lips by just adding a gloss. I don't really feel like wearing a stick today. I'm gonna add my lip ring in. So, okay, so this is my pH formula, Physicians Formula. It's like a pH matching lip gloss. Basically all that means is it's a gimmick. It just changes color over time. that on, I'm gonna use my Makeup Revolution palette. I used the back of it as a painting palette. I thought this was something else, and I put gesso all over the back, so that's why it's so messy. But I promise it's clean. Here are the colors. I think I'm gonna go in first with my fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go in with that white shade. And I'm gonna just grab some of it, and I'm gonna start by putting that in my inner corner and pop it on my brow bone. So I think I'm gonna grab some of that gold. So I'm just gonna put this on the ball of my lid, and I'm kind of just gonna keep it contained to that area only. So I want to take this teal, and I want to like do a half cut crease moment. So I think I'm gonna take this darker navy, and I just want to add it to my outer third. And then I'm gonna take my paddle brush. I'm gonna open my foundation. I'm just gonna do a cut crease, like, you know what? I'm gonna do a halo eye. Fuck it. Grab the teal. Okay, so I just did this wing, and it kind of took on a life of its own, but I feel like with the wing, like, I feel like the eyeshadow just looks a lot better. So I'm gonna try to match it on this side and hope that my camera focuses on me.
I've been thinking about you. You've been thinking about me. Why don't you just come down, 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 get between these sheets? I've been thinking about you. You've been thinking about me. Why don't you just come down, 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 get between these sheets? I've been thinking about you.